All right, y'all, day 2 of the renovation. My dad and I installed 3/4-inch subfloor in all the bedrooms and hallways to make sure everything's solid. The rest of the crew, which is my girlfriend and my mom, handled the cleanup. They wiped down the cabinets and sinks, scrubbed down the walls with Clorox wipes, and cleaned up all the windows and trim. Slowly but surely, this place is coming back to life. Stay tuned, y'all.
I got this.
Good job, guys.
Nací un domingo para empezar a chambear el lunes. Agreguen un día más a la semana para seguir chambeando. Hoy miré al gallo a los ojos y le dije, sigue durmiendo, que hoy canto yo. Si hubiera un premio al más chambeador, yo lo iría porque estaría en el jale.
Me gustaría ser huevón porque dicen que el huevón trabaja doble.
All right, y'all. Day one is done. Day 2 is done. We got these cabinets cleaned up a little bit. Shout out to the crew, my girlfriend, my dad, and my mom. They helped me out today and it actually took a load off. We got a bunch of OSB floor put down to reinforce a bunch of like holes that were in the ground, and you could kind of feel bounce where some of the floor was really weak. So we went ahead and got that replaced. Let's check it out, y'all. As you can see here, yo, it is so solid. We got to pick up some more OSB, but for the most part, we got this all done. This subfloor over here is pretty solid, so we're not gonna rip that out, but this is what we got left. This is what we got done in this room. This is the main bedroom. We'll go ahead and move over to the smaller bedroom. We went ahead and got this. Yeah, let me restart that. This is a smaller bedroom. We went ahead and got some 3/4 OSB put in. Any of the subfloor that kind of had some give to it is gonna give no more. It's pretty solid now, so I mean, I'm feeling pretty good about this room here. We went ahead and got this closet knocked down, or the wall that was here before. I mean, we didn't really see the point in having a little door with the closet right next to the closet, so we went ahead and knocked that wall down, and yeah, we're gonna finish this and make it a bigger closet. So we'll go ahead and check out the hallway now. This is the same 3/4 OSB that we put down. It's got no give to it, as you can see, or not, but I'm letting y'all know it's got no give. It's pretty solid now. I'm feeling pretty good about how this is coming out. For day 2, we got quite a bit done. Shout out to the crew, my mom, my dad, and my girlfriend. They took a load off me, and I don't know what I'd do without them. So stay tuned for what's next, guys.